Hello. If you are struggling to screen record from your laptop or PC, you are at the right place. In this video today, I am going to show you how to record your screen from your laptop or PC. And I will show you guide by guide, very easy way. So let's follow the steps. At the first time, I will open my Chrome browser. Then simply search here OBS Studio. Then there's just showing that this one. Click on there and go in this website and simply scroll down here. Just you will see download and installer. Click there and you will see that it's already downloading. So just a minute. Here my download is complete. So I am going to the file. This is the file and I have to install this. Click one next. Again, then choose a location. Install. Say it's being installing just a bit. Almost done. Just click on finish. So my software is installing completely done and I am going to open this right now. This is the software OBS Studio. So after opening this you have to do something a bit and that's very simple. Just click here plus button and you can select your any name. This is existing, so I am just putting this one. Then click there, then just click one there. If you want to capture your whole screen, then click one OK. Then find your display from here. This is my monitor code and I am going to click on there. That's fully okay. Then click on OK. Then just one work is left and that is just select your location where your video will be downloaded. Settings and go to output, and from here just go to browser and here you have to choose your location. So I am choosing this and select folder. That's okay. And okay, everything is okay. And last, just try make a video. So when you will record any video, you have to open this software. Then from here, just click on start recording. Then it's fully okay. It's recording right now. So this is the recording and I am just stopping right now. And let's see how it's been the video. This is my video. So you have watched this process. It's very simple and there is no any watermark or any issues. So you can use this very easy way. And this is very good software. And if my video be helpful for you, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let's see in the next video.